Hello, this is Cara, and welcome to CaraBrandonCreations. And I wanted to do kind of a wrap-up of the 5 days of Christmas and show you kind of the makes and my journal that I'm going to be using for December daily. I need to catch up on my December daily, but here are some of the goodies. This I made in the live, and then I made these pockets during one of the days. I can't remember now. And then this one I embellished, and here's my pockets, and I just kind of stuffed them with the ephemera for now, because as I do my December daily, I'm going to then, add things to the pages. The pattern paper, little flippy things right there. And then this I made in the live. And that was for part of the November challenge in the Cara Brandon and Friends Facebook group. And then here is my journal so far. I'm going to put probably a tag or something under here, so I left that kind of open. And this is where I'm storing the prompts for the month. And then a little quick flip through. This is a pocket that I can add to. I did this in the live. We needed to have a Christmas tree, so I used Elizabeth Craft Designs die for that. And then this is also an Elizabeth Craft Designs die. Some wrapping paper, a page from the journal kit. Some Tim Holtz. This is a page from an Ideals magazine, another Elizabeth Craft Designs die. Same with this, a tag, and then I used my new wax seals for that little embellishment right there. So yeah, you'll see that it's kind of empty for now, and then I'm going to embellish as I do my December daily. Made this guy, I think this was during the live as well, and then this was during the 5 days. And I'm debating if I want to actually attach this into the journal because there's enough space right there. We'll see how full it gets as I do my December daily. This is an old Christmas card that I cut in half, and I love this one. It's from Arizona Highways. And I just love that it has Arizona, since that's where I live. An Edith Holden page from December. Another little flip out. More from the kit. That other side of the Christmas card. More Tim Holtz. Isn't that fun, the Edith Holden? And then this is an embellishment I made during the 5 days. And I only glued around the 3 edges so that I could put another tag. Oh no, and then there is the center of that signature. Yeah, pretty fun. A lot of pages that I can use for my December daily, which again I need to get started on. And then here's also my writing like my writing board, so I can use this if I want to write a lot in my December daily, and put it like this, and then it makes a nice flat surface, so if this is bumpy behind it, it's ready to go. So I just stuck that in the back. So yeah, there is a quick little flip through. Let me know if you're interested in seeing the progress of my December daily in the comments. And don't forget, if you're doing your December daily, last Friday I have 2 printables that go with the first 5 days of the December daily. So you want to grab those by going to Cara Brandon and Friends on Facebook. And yeah, nice, short and sweet for today. I'm gonna turn off the camera now and kind of catch up on my December daily. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.